What's up YouTube, it's your boy AG, and today we're going to be trying this new concrete mixer from Culvers, Frozen Cocoa.
Frozen Cocoa! Wait, pull it down, pull it down. Woohoo! I'm going to try it too.
Okay, so I got my spoon, you got yours, make sure you go deep in it.
Alright.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
go.
Okay, continue. Alright, you can
I gotta get some more.
Yeah, we ran out of storage, so we have to do it again.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Alright.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Tastes like regular chocolate to me.
Has a little bit of taste in it.
Yeah, just a little bit. Tiny. I spilled it on the floor, guys. Oh well. Why you sound like that?
I'll give it probably 6 out of 10.
5. Half and half. Alrighty, well. And what was it called?
Frozen Cocoa.
Frozen Cocoa. Oh, alrighty. Well.
Alright, catch you later.
Catch you later, guys.
Peace.